Hey everyone, today we're going to be installing the RCI Crossmember skid plates on my 2023 Bronco. Now, if you've ever done any rock crawling, you're probably very familiar with how exposed and vulnerable these crossmembers are, especially when you're going over large rocks. So today we're going to fix that with these skid plates.
First, lay out all your parts. You should have the 2 skid plates and all the specified hardware. The only tool you'll need for this install is a 9/16 inch wrench. We're starting on the driver's side. The longer 3.5 inch carriage bolt goes in the frontmost hole. The key here is to place the included transmission spacer between the skid plate and the vehicle's crossmember. The shorter 2.5 inch bolt goes in the rear hole. For now, just get the washers and hex nuts on loosely by hand. Do not tighten anything down yet. Now, pull the skid plate towards the center of the vehicle as much as the adjustment allows. This will align it properly. Once it's in place, grab your 9/16 inch wrench and fully tighten both the front and the rear hex nuts until they are snug and secure. Now, you're just going to repeat the exact same process on the passenger side. The steps are identical. And there you have it. The RCI Crossmember skid plates are installed. They provide some serious, much-needed protection for this vulnerable area, and as you can see, the install is simple enough to do in your driveway in under an hour. Find your trail, drive your nature.